Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the papers and syllabus of semester 4, MA Journalism Part 2. We have already discussed about semester 3 in our earlier video. Today I shall be discussing the papers of semester 4. Semester 4 is having 4 papers having 100 marks each, 60 marks for external and 40 marks for internal. Paper number 13, Intercultural and International Communication. Paper number 14, New Media. Paper number 15, Film Studies and Film Production. And paper number 16, Practical with Viva Voce. Now I am going to discuss the topics which we shall be covering in all these papers. Starting with paper number 13, Intercultural and International Communication. In this paper, we shall be discussing about culture, its concept, scope, relationship between culture and communication, different approaches to the study of intercultural communication, cultural patterns like values, norms and perceptions, then traditional and modern media as vehicles of intercultural communication, intercultural communication in cyberspace, globalization, localization, and cultural collisions, clashes, shocks, and assimilation. All these topics shall be discussed in section A of this paper. Then section B covers definition and issues in international communication, political, economic, and cultural dimensions of international communication, world system theory, dependency theory, comparative media system, control and ownership of the media, international communication and globalization, changing media scenario. We shall be discussing all these topics in section B of this paper. Then coming to paper number 14, new media. In this paper, we shall be discussing about the meaning, definition and concept of new media in section A, its various allied terms like social media, its definition and scope, social media changing dynamics of communication and social relationships, social media and search engines, digital divide, digital media marketing, ethical issues in new media. Then in section B, we shall be discussing about globalization and new media technologies, emergence of global village, technologies and culture, intercultural changes and challenges, new media and social change, new media and news flow, online journalism, its definition, nature and scope, impact of online journalism on society, web journalism, mobile journalism, Punjabi software and tools in new media. All these topics will be discussed in section B of new media. Then coming to paper number 15, film studies and film production. In this paper, in section A, sorry, we shall be discussing about film as a medium, commercial versus art cinema, overview of world cinema, evolution of Indian cinema, new wave cinema, actuality, documentary, docodrama, feature films, film appreciation, film review, film criticism, new trends in Indian cinema, changing trends in Punjabi cinema, films for social change, impact of Hollywood on Indian cinema, the basics of screen grammar, thinking visually, 5 C's of cinematography, film versus television, video and theatre, new methods and techniques of film studies. These all topics will be discussed in section A of film studies, and section B shall be covering the technical part like planning and controlling for production, significance of research in audio video production, then basic principles of composition, then the lens, the microphones, all the additional things needed in the production of the films shall be discussed in section B of film studies. It is having small terms, technical terms also like aspect ratio, makeup, visual and sound effects, standard electronic effects, digital video effects, cut, dissolve, wipe, superimposition, chroma key, foley, direction. All these topics will be discussed in section B. Then coming to the most important, paper 16, practical with Viva Voce. This paper is of 100 marks again, but this paper will be held internal in the department, having 20 marks for the on-the-spot news feature writing, 20 marks for your published articles or feature, 20 marks for translation from English, Hindi, Punjabi to Hindi or Punjabi, then 40 marks for GD and Viva. This is the most important paper because in this paper you can get a good marks if you are having already published two articles or features during your masters too, or you can get them published during the semester break. This is all about semester 4 and this completes your masters 2 in journalism. Thank you so much.